Do you feel the pulse?
Right, I've got a video on YouTube how to attach a zipper pull. It did quite well actually. But what I'm going to teach you now is how to make your zipper pull. There you go. So when it's out, when you're out and it's really cold and your fingers are numb, even though you've got gloves on, you can still grab your zipper pull with your gloves on. It's just simply attached like that. So what we need is about 2 foot of paracord or any thin rope. This is just a cheap version of paracord. It's actually from a guideline of a tent, but it'll still work. Fold your paracord in half, equal lengths. Okay, that's the center point there. Come up about an inch maybe, and just do a simple knot. Doesn't matter what type of knot you do. I'll just do this. Okay. All right, I'm going to start off. We create a loop coming over the top like so. Then with this side you go over the top of that and back through the hole and just tighten it up. Just adjust it. Okay, so there, we've done right. We're going to go to left now, so we're going to go over the top with the left, over, around the back, through, and just put it together. So we've done left, we're going to go right, over the top, and back over, through the back again. We're just going to keep going left, right, left, right. So I'm happy with that now. Right, so when you got to the end of your braid, okay, pull it all up nice. Now we snip just close to the edge of that there, and to stop it from fraying, just burn the end of it. Okay, same with this side. There you go. Zipper pull. Check out Mike Cunnington on YouTube. I'll put a link below. He does things like paracord, putting hammocks up and camping and fire starting, things like that. Mate of mine. So give him some support.